Welcome, in front of me is a Redmi A1 and today I'll show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So before we get started, you will need to grab one of these things, a SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device in a box so you can get it from there. Now you could also use a paper clip, straighten out one of the ends and it should work just as well. Now once you have one of them, you want to pop out a tray which is located on the top left side of the phone. So right over here. Push the pin in and you see that the tray pops out just ever so slightly enough for you to grab it and to take it out. And there's already a SIM card in here, so I'm just gonna ease it to the side. Now from here you can insert SIM cards on these two trays. You can occupy both of them or one of them, and it doesn't matter which one you select, and SD card will go right over here. There we go. From there, insert it back into your phone. Now you want to do it carefully. There is nothing holding the cards in place, so they could just pop out. There we go. And once they're in the phone, cards should start working right away. As you can see, my SIM card is already working. It's prompting me to put in my SIM pin. And SD card should be working as well. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.